Guys, I hope everybody is taking care and being blessed today. I just wanted to show you real quick how taking lint out of your hair can really damage your locks. I got so stir crazy about lint that was in my hair, was like embedded in my hair. And I start picking at it, picking at it. So if you see, look how it is holding on by a thread, a major thread. And I also have another one in the back. Something about my back locks. A lot of people back locks always have lint in it, but I'm telling you guys, do not pick out the lint. Do not pick it out. If you're able to pick it out with your fingers, yes, quick, easy. But if it's embedded, do not use I always forget what you call it. Tweezers. Do not use tweezers. Do not use anything. Thank God I know how to fix this. You see that? It's hanging on by a thread. So I am going to show you guys how to fix this. Lint, lint, lint. It's very hard to get rid of lint. People say dye it. That don't work either, but for so long. So it's just something about lint. It's really hard to get rid of. And this is a prime example. Be careful with trying to get your lint out because you can damage your locks. Okay, just wanted to share that with you. If you got some weave hair or your real hair, I have my real hair from my big chop. I'm going to use that. Or you also can use, like I said, the weave hair. It's all up to you. Just make sure you use a good brand because all brands is not equal. Weave hair just to get the base. I don't want to use a whole bunch though. It's kind of just, I like that. Just kind of make it just like that. And now what I'm going to do is, like I said, you guys, it's down here. You see how weak, can you see how weak that is? See, ain't nothing, it's holding on to like a thread. So I'm going to start from a little bit above. Stick your crochet hook in. And I got a small crochet hook. Put the hair on here. Pull it through. Okay. And now what I'm going to do is kind of just do it like you would a... y'all call them faux locks, but I call them lock extensions. This is fake locks. So just kind of just go slow. And like I said, if you have your own hair, you can use your own hair. I'm going to look in the mirror while I'm doing that. And I find when I stick a hole, like I did right there, versus just wrapping, it lays a lot better. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm halfway down. You see it's already pretty much. And don't do it tight. Do it loosely. Do it loosely. And now what I'm going to do, guys, is I am about to take it through there, right there. That's where the weak spot ended. I'm going to put my crochet hook. So you see, guys, all that lint. I'm like, you know what? It is what it is. I'm not going to be messing up my locks trying to get that out. And make sure you're going the way that you retwist your hair, okay, when you're wrapping it. And see, now I don't have that imprint of that dent imprint, like if you just wrap it versus sticking it in there. See how I fixed that? And now what I'm going to do though, guys, is I'm about to use some of my real hair. Like I said, I'm going to go through. Make sure you finish. Let me finish wrapping this. Hold on. Okay, now what I'm about to do is I am about to go through this spot right here. Make sure your little latch hook is open. Close. And now I'm going to wrap going up using my real hair. And just give it a little roll. And I like to add a little bit of water to it. And like I said, remember, roll it the way that you're doing. You just give it a palm roll. And there we have it. And it's a different color because my hair is a different color. But y'all don't mind, because I actually like the fact that it's a different color. And it is fixed. No more. And then what I can do if I want to, can go in and use my crochet hook and just make sure it's fixed. You just kind of do it like you would do it if it was instant lock. Just make sure all the hair is in there. And be careful with this tool because this tool is very, very sharp. And there we have it. I fixed my lock. So you can always fix your locks, guys, always. Thank God. You can fix them seamlessly. So I'm just kind of just going in, just making sure, act like you retwisting, making sure all that's nice and thick. And you turn it as you go. Like I said, there's good videos on YouTube to show you how to do the instant lock method, but there we have it. And I'm about to actually fix, because I did the same thing to another lock right next to it. This one. See, I had lint up in here. I'm gonna just add the hair, same scenario. Stop right there and then wrap it back going up. Hopefully that helps you guys and you got a good gist of how you can fix your locks. Okay, bye guys. Let me know one of your experiences trying to get lint out, or just somehow you made a mistake and somehow you damaged your locks. Let me know how that went for you and what did you do to fix it. Don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys. It's a very little hook. And I like the hook because it's easier to grab the hair. So I just grab that weave hair and wrap that around, close that latch hook, and pull it through. Just keep on going through. Do it one more time just to make sure it don't unravel. Because I like to wet my hair a lot, so you got to be careful if you wet your hair a lot that you make sure it's in there really good. And then give it a palm roll. And there we go. One more to do. Now we're gonna do this one. See how thin this one kind of is? Okay, so again, find where the weakest is. So it's about right here. And this is about where I'm gonna end at. So it's a pretty good amount. I'm gonna take this, open up that latch hook, close it, and then send it through. Okay, and now I am about to start wrapping. Remember, wrap the way that you retwist your hair and do it lightly, not harsh. Do it lightly, so you won't have no imprint or no demarcations or anything. Okay, now what you're gonna do, take that latch hook, stick it in there where you ended at. Wrap it, close the latch hook, it goes back through again. So you don't got to worry about that coming undone. Stick it through. Close your latch hook. There you go. And now you just go up. Just do it slowly and loosely. Already fixed. See? And I am using human hair too, as well as my own hair. You can get the Afro Kiki ball. Just get you one pack, especially if you don't have to fix a lot of them. Okay, so now what I'm about to do, just because this color is a little different, you will see by putting it a little bit before the demarcation, it just lay better. Okay, now what I'm going to do is give you some water. And just give it a good pump. Give it a good pump roll. And then you're going to do this if you want. It's optional. You don't have to. Because really, if you use just the regular human hair, Afro Kinky hair, you won't have to do this. But since I'm putting my real hair on top of it, just to kind of give it some color, I'm just adding it to it. Okay. And then you, again, palm roll. All fixed, all done. That's a quick and easy way to fix it. Okay? Any questions? Let me know. Bye, guys.